So continuing on to the anterior tab, what is recommended is examining your patient and entering the positives first, or your negatives. So if this was a contact lens wearer and I wanted to put they did not have any corneal neovascularization, you can start typing and that would pop up. And if I check their staining and they had no staining, and you can copy from right eye to left eye, or you can write positives like papillae by hitting the P and it will pop up. Or you may double click into the box and a very long list will come up. And once you're done, you would right click and you would assign normals to fill out the rest of the boxes. Be sure that if you didn't dilate to unclick that, or if you did dilate it's already clicked, and you can just click to put the time and then select your drops. So I'm going to again show you the encounter favorite on this tab. So if I have this filled out like I would want it to be for an encounter favorite, say this is a dry eye person that I want to make a layout for. So again, you would right click your mouse and go to create encounter favorite, hit no to add new. This is going to be called dry eyes. Yes, you would want it specific to your ID, and yes to confirm the tab default values. And to show you how that would work, I would clear the fields, and now I will go to encounter favorite, and there is my dry eye. The posterior tab again is very similar, so you fill out any positives that you may have. You can draw on the drawings by clicking and then draw on image if they had a nevus. This will come up to show you that the diagnosis will be there, and hit save, and now it's there, and it also wrote it there. And then you would assign normals, fill out all of your other information. You can copy from right to left, and then again that would be it. Or if you have an encounter favorite, you may create one or encounter your favorite. Moving on to the plan tab. So now everything that has entered thus far would be generated as far as your refractive diagnosis and my drawing. So for myopia, if you look to the right, it's already filled out for you. The only thing missing is the location of which eye. So you can hit the edit to edit that, or I just double click, and then I double click again and select everything and hit save. So it's very quick to move through this. And then you have your choroidal nevus. The plan has not been filled out, so you can either manually type or you can double click and select some of these options here. If you were searching for something, for example, macular degeneration, you can type the word macular and hit F7, and it will pull up the code, the diagnosis and code for you, and then you can fill that out. Or if you would like to search for a code, so say we know 37515 is dry eye syndrome. Okay, that one is not working at the moment. Let's try pseudophakia. So that would pop up, and again it generates the plan. If you don't like that, you can delete that. So there's different ways to do that, or if you know there's a code but you're not sure the rest of the numbers, you can pull down. So those are the different ways you may search for things. If this is medical insurance, be sure to go in